Long back stretch on the reformer is not the easiest exercise. I get it. However, if we're gonna do it, we gotta watch out for the precision of the exercise. Do you know that this is a 4-part exercise? All right, so check this out. It's not a 3-part exercise, it's a 4-part exercise. You bend your elbows, it's a tricep dip. Roll your pelvis forward and push with your arms, keeping your pelvis down low. Keep the carriage still, lift your pelvis and spine up, articulate your spine back to natural curves. So bending your elbows and lowering down is part 1. Roll your pelvis and push with your arms is part 2. Lift up, keeping the carriage still, part 3. Articulate your pelvis or your spine and pelvis back, 4. Bend, reach, roll up, articulate back. Reverse. Reach your pelvis and spine forward, keeping yourself up high. Keep the carriage still, bend your elbows lower down. Articulate your spine back to natural curves, lift back up. Roll forward, lower down, bend your elbows, articulate your spine, and lift back up. So there's 4 parts to the exercise. All right, now with it, you gotta roll your shoulders back strongly the entire time. Otherwise, this is not an exercise that's gonna help you or your clients achieve their physical goals. It's an exercise that's gonna hurt you. So play with it in 4 parts and work extra strongly to exaggerate your shoulders back as you go. If your shoulders roll forward in the exercise, you're simply not ready for the exercise, which is A-okay. I wasn't ready for it for a long time. Practice triceps dips and other exercises where you can really get your shoulders back. So play on with it and reach out if you've got any questions.